Finally, YouTube officially released picture-in-picture mode inside the YouTube app. But before you are getting excited, you need to keep this in mind because YouTube has some problem and some issues that need to be fixed. Now take a look what I'm going to talk about. So if you go into YouTube here, you can see that YouTube states that you can use picture-in-picture mode to watch content across YouTube with a YouTube premium membership. But if you don't have YouTube premium and are in United States, you can still use picture-in-picture mode, but you can watch certain content like music video. This implies that if you are living outside United States, you cannot watch YouTube by using picture-in-picture mode unless you are living in United States. And for people in United States, they don't need a premium account for now, and they are able to watch it, so including premium and non-premium membership. One more thing that you need to keep in mind, if you are in United States and if you want to watch music like picture-in-picture mode, YouTube does not allow you to do that even though you are living in United States. And I don't know why YouTube doing this. I don't know why YouTube didn't care about this feature. Android users have been using it like for a long time, as I remember, and for iOS it still does not support picture-in-picture mode. Luckily, if you are living in United States, you should be able to use it. And except like because I live in Asia, I live in Cambodia, so if I go into YouTube here, even though I update my YouTube app like into the latest version, it does not support. So when I swipe up, you can see it does not work. And but for those of you that are living in United States, just go ahead and click on this one, update your YouTube into the latest version. Go into setting and go into general. You're gonna find picture-in-picture mode, but I don't have here because I live in Asia, as I mentioned. So thanks for watching, and here is a quick update, and then I will see you guys in the next one, and I will update more if picture-in-picture mode does work like outside United States.